Kusa oilele mai Peyauna Busenikau Duabau Nasabakaba Le mai oilele saki No musamai oile. Yo, listen, they say time heals all wounds, but they lie to me. Every sunset without you feels like eternity. Crashing slow, writing your name in the sand, watching tides erase it though. Noqu Senikau, you my flower, my everything. My heart beats Fijian rhythm, can you hear it sing? I built this love on devotion, on sacrifice and truth. Come back to me, my flower, I'm lost without you. Sendeni na numa Koelito meva Vale sotele mai Peyao Noqu Senikau. Ono dana utogu Leina omusu maivaka Nandua yanu yanu Labaruru ambutina Peyao mokila Irumosi Olaki nasamara Ambitu namboni. Yeah, distance is a thief for my peace of mind. I see your face in every cloud, every wave I find. The alley sits empty, no one to sail with me. The cover bowl is cold, no shade ceremony. I walk these village paths where we used to roam. Every corner holds a memory, every stone feels like home. But home ain't home when you're not standing there. Just a shell, just a shadow, just a silent prayer. So I'm calling out across the Pacific blue. Noqu Senikau, my forever, I'm still waiting for you. Sendeni na numa Koelito meva Vale sotele mai Peyao Noqu Senikau. They told me, they told me let go, move on, find another. But my heart don't speak that language, it only knows your color. The hibiscus red, the ocean green, the golden sun. Every shade of you, my flower, my only one. I keep your sorrow hanging, still smells of your perfume. I